everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of Ease of Cooking with Rujikut. In today's video, we will learn how to transform bitter gourds to super tasty, super healthy crispy fries. Honestly guys, I never thought I would ever become a fan of bitter gourds, but this recipe made me one, and soon you will love it too. We'll see how to change the bitterness in bitter gourd in just 20 minutes with bare minimum number of ingredients. So for the fries, we will need 3 bitter gourds sliced, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as needed, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Pour a tablespoon of water and mix the ingredients thoroughly. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pour some oil into a pan and heat it. Now fry the bitter gourd slices in the oil. Turn sides as and when needed. Let it fry in medium flame for about 10 minutes. And now our super crispy bitter gourd fries are ready. Who would have really thought that such a tasty recipe could be made out of a bitter tasting vegetable? If you're a person who hates bitter gourd, you definitely have to try this out because you'll start loving it. Trust me on this guys and try it out. Tell us about your transformation. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment. Also do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about our future videos. See you with another videos. Until then, bye.